Hello everyone. Let's see how to use JavaScript in both browser and non-browser environments. We all know JavaScript is the programming language for web. It can be used in any web browser. Nowadays, with the help of Node.js, we are using it in non-browser environments also. Let's see both one by one. First, I opened a Chrome browser. Click on F12. It will open here. Navigate to console. Okay, here we can write our JavaScript code. Type your first JavaScript code like console.log and my first code in Chrome. Okay, when you click enter, this code will be executed in Chrome browser itself. Chrome browser uses V8 JavaScript engine to execute this, right? This is how you can execute the JavaScript in a browser environment. Okay, let's say if I want to make some addition 2 plus 5, 7, right? It comes. I mean, this JavaScript is executed. Let's say 3 into 4 comes, right? This is how you can execute JavaScript in a browser environment. Okay. Now let's see how to use JavaScript in a non-browser environment. For that, first we need a node. Let me open my command prompt and see which node version I have. For that, just type node hyphen v or node hyphen version. Both should give a result. Like you should see a node version. Then you can execute your JavaScript in a non-browser environment. Okay. First, let's create a file. Like let me open new text file. Name it as name it as test.js. Okay. Let me open that. Open with Notepad. Okay. Zoom this. Here type console.log. My first code in browser. Save this file. I mean, what you did is you just created a notepad file named test.js and you have written this code console.log my first code in non-browser. Now save this file, right? You have this file open here. Now open command prompt again. Okay, just drag and drop this file. You just need the path to execute this file, right? So this is how it will come. I don't need this. This is still a text file. Let me change it. Okay, let me go to file, save as, and yeah, it shouldn't be all files. Okay, test.js. Okay, this is how it will come. I mean, without any this notepad marks, it will come as a js file. Okay, now open this command prompt. We zoom in, hit cd, and you have to navigate to the desktop path, right? Just place this file inside and remove the last one in the file name. So it will navigate to the desktop where our file is located, right? Now type node and our file name test.js. Okay, now this JS file, whatever we written, right, in a non-browser environment that is executed. As we have node in our machine, with the help of Node.js, this JS file is executed, right? This is how we need to execute JavaScript, or we need to use JavaScript in both browser and non-browser environments. Thank you.